Stop checking clients one by one. Here's how to query multiple accounts and benchmark performance instantly using Databox MCP. Let's ask to pull ad spend and performance for 3 of our demo client companies and have the data broken down by platform. This might take a moment. The system is actively connecting to each account as our semantic engine prepares to deliver the data to your AI. First, it pulls data for each client individually, correctly identifying every account name. Then, at the bottom, it writes a short summary. Now let's go a step further and ask it to benchmark conversion rates and costs. It automatically calculates the rates using the underlying click and spend data, then compares them side by side. It immediately surfaces the insights that actually matter, identifying the most efficient campaigns, the lowest cost per conversion, and who has the strongest conversion rates overall. That was a cross-client overview. If you want to stop stitching reports together and spot trends faster, head to databox.com/MCP to get started.